Hi guys, welcome back to the SO series. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please do. I'm so sorry I've been so inconsistent as kind of like usual, but yeah, I'm back. Did you miss me? I have a new set. I hope you like it. If you missed me, let me know in the comment box below. I missed you guys too as well. So straight to the point. Last year, Darling Nigeria launched an influencer marketing campaign, and I was one of the few people who got the package. Like, we got a box like this from Darling Nigeria. It said it had a customized attachment pack that had some of us our faces in front. Yeah, if you can see that, like it had some of our faces in front. And it came in like, different colors, different tags and different sizes. So while I'm super grateful and I thought that was a very good gift and I appreciated the act of giving, and I said to myself, wow, that's actually the power of influencer marketing, and that's how brands are moving forward now, infusing influencer marketing into their campaigns or their marketing plans and all of that. So just the way radio, TV and print transformed the way marketing was yesterday or years ago, internet and technology has changed the way brands and marketing is going today. 84% of marketers are infusing marketing or influencer marketing campaigns into their marketing plans. The range of brands working with social influencers, providing them products and payments or gifts to share their experiences online just keeps growing. So if you're a business owner or you're a business strategist or you're a small business owner, you need to consider the power of influencer marketing today. So who is an influencer? An influencer is me, you, and just about anybody who has a plan or a passion and doesn't mind sharing it out to the world. That's who an influencer is these days. And by posting our passion on social media or our platforms or our blogs and our website, we become a change agent, we become influencers, we become people who can say, do this, and businesses will want to do it as well. And by posting our passion and content on social media or on our websites and our blogs or whatever platforms that we're using, podcasts, influencers have gained immense internet popularity, allowing us to shape and influence audience opinions on matters through our blog posts, Insta stories, video, Instagram, tweets, and so on. Like, we've become influencers in different platforms or whatever, however we use, or whichever platform that we use. Influencer marketing involves marketing products and services to those who have a sway over the things other people buy. This market influence typically stems from an individual's expertise, popularity, or reputation. Simple. I don't know if you get it. So why are brands jumping on it? Why are brands running after more influencers than celebrities? First of all, because influencers are creatives. Most influencers are creatives. Most celebrities are just, they have talent and they have a management team who manage the talent. But influencers are people who are creative, who can turn something that is nothing into something really great. So influencers have become creatives, and rather than going to hire instead of a brand going to hire a company or an advertising company to do their marketing plan or do their marketing campaign for them and create content for them, they're not going directly to influencers, because influencers create content that are very attracting and also appeals to their brand. Secondly, is a quick and effective approach to reaching a wide audience. Thirdly, is an easy form of online advertising. Like, rather than going to go and pay Google or advertising digitally or other platforms, why not pay an influencer? Fourth, influencers are smart. They know how to get people's attention. If an influencer wants to create the content around the product, they know they know what to do that is going to make everybody go, wow, I love it, I love it, I love it. Who is this by? Who is wearing it, or where is it from? They want to know they just know how to get people's attention. Number 5, they create content that encourages social referral, the digital equivalent of word of mouth marketing. So yeah, these influencers exist for every niche, and they help brands generate sales. They help brands to test the waters. You know how brands you want to put out the product and you want to know if that product is good enough for your market or your audience. You use influencers to test your market or test the waters. Also, they help brands attract more clients and customers and get your products in front of an engaged and highly targeted audience. Like, if you want to, it's not like before, they used to do advertising for everybody, like put a billboard and everybody can see it. Now, if you hire an influencer, you're very sure that influencer is going to help you get the exact target audience that you want it to reach. So don't say that influencers can't help my business, so my business is too small, I don't know what to do. Influencers exist for every niche. How does influencer marketing work? Number 1, first thing first, do your research about the influencers that are available in the community that you are in. Find out the influencers that fit your brand and they can help you reach your target audience. Not because someone is popular that you go and hire the person is popular as an influencer that you hire them. If an influencer has to fit your brand, like it has to match. You cannot get a comedian to come and promote fashion. I don't know if that explains it for you. So do your research. Don't say I don't know how to get influencers. Everything you need to find is online. Then when you do that, you get your products or payments in their hands. Next week or sometime in the coming week, I'm going to teach you guys or tell you guys how brands can approach influencers. So keep subscribed, guys, so you can get some more content. If you haven't subscribed, and share as well. So I've had designers who have said to me, oh, I've sent a product to an influencer, I've sent them something and they've refused to post. Some of them posted and didn't put credit, and then they just complain about how an influencer has treated them when they send them their products. First of all, there's a difference between gifting an influencer and also hiring an influencer to post for you. So as long as you're not dropping money, don't expect an influencer to do or post or publish your material or use your product how you wanted them to do it. They're going to do it like it was a gift. So if it's a gift, then I'm supposed to just express myself however I feel I want to express myself. But you can pay them. You can oversee the structure that you want your campaign to go. Number 5, know your passionate customers and your passionate influencers and how they advocate for your brand. Like those guys that are very passionate about it, that don't have that much popularity, could actually be the ones that are the influencers that you could work with and they can do collaborations with you for free. So here are a few of the benefits your company will get if you adopt the power of influencer marketing campaigns. 1, brand enforcement. Your brand name will get stronger through association with state celebrity. Number 2, more customers. More customers. By that I mean your company and marketing team will have access to influence with the people in your influencer circle that equates to more customers. Number 3, high engagement rates. Like you will increase your engagement rate on your own personal social media page. You would also get people talking about your brand as well if you hire influencers to push your brand or help you promote your brand. Using an influencer will also increase your overall campaign marketing strategy. Conversion equals revenue, which means that if you convert it, you're getting money in essence at the end of the day. So yeah, if you or your marketing plan hasn't considered the advantage of influencer marketing, I hope these tips have been able to help you guys, and now you understand when people are saying influencer and then influencer marketing and what it means for you to hire an influencer. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't, please do subscribe. And thank you Ojong for my outfit. I love it. Till next time, guys, we rise, pray, grind, and shine. Bye.